Welcome to my YouTube channel Crack Economics Entrance. Today I will discuss about the question paper of Indira Gandhi Institute of Development Research 2019 sample question. IGITR exam consists of 3 parts. Now we will be discussing solely on economics part only. I intentionally choose this path because in the earlier videos I have discussed about the math part of ISI. Now we will move towards the IGIDR economics part, the question from economics question paper, and after the economic question paper solved video is uploaded completely, we will upload the math stat part, that is mathematics part of IGIDR 2019 sample question paper. Till then, stay tuned and subscribe. Now let's move on. The first question is, do you think a firm operating in a perfectly competitive market should shut down if its revenue is 1000 rupees, variable cost 500 rupees, sunk fixed cost 600 rupees? Now it's a perfect competitive. Now guys, it's a perfect competitive market. Perfect competitive market. You should know that it's a perfect competitive market. Now in perfect competitive market, a firm should shut down when? Suppose a firm's shutdown decision, if the firm shut down, it loses all revenue from the sale of its product. At the same time, it saves the variable cost of making the product, but must still pay the fixed cost, that is sunk cost. Thus, the firm shut down if the revenue that it would earn from producing is less than the variable cost of production. That is revenue is given here is less than VC. So the market will shut down if the revenue less than VC. Now the first option is it should shut down, it should not shut down. These are the options. Now if you see that revenue is 1000 rupees and the variable cost is 500 rupees, obviously 1000 rupees is greater than 500 rupees, so the market should not shut down by using this logic formula. This is the condition of shutdown condition of a perfect competitive market, and the market is here should not shut down since R equal to 1000 and VC equal to 500. The information F equal to 600 is not used in that sense here. So the option 2 is here the right answer. Next, move on forward to the second question. Suppose that two linear demand curve goes through the initial competitive market equilibrium given by Easter. One demand curve is less elastic than the other one at the equilibrium Easter. Okay, can you say for which demand curve will a price increase cause the larger consumer surplus loss? Again guys, it's a question from microeconomics, and again it's from perfectly competitive market, and the key concept is consumer surplus. Okay, so let's draw the diagram. There is two demand curve. There is two demand curve. Say demand curve 1 and 2. First one is less elastic. That is, if first one is like this, and if the second one is like this, and if you draw this supply, if the supply is this, it is the first demand curve 1, this 2, and it is the supply curve. Okay, now it is the equilibrium price, we say E star E. seller, Eastern is given here, Eastern. So the consumer surplus of the first curve, let me repeat, the consumer surplus of the first class should be this one, this path, and the consumer surplus for the next curve is this path. This path. Now the question says which demand curve will price increase cause the larger consumer surplus loss. Now the first curve is less elastic, means if we increase the price, the willingness to pay for the consumer, will be lower. That is, the consumer surplus loss in the first case is higher, and the consumer surplus loss in the second case is lower than the first case. So let's take a look on the option consumer surplus more than for less elastic price. So the first one is given here, and what I have illustrated, so the first one is the correct answer. Consumer surplus loss is more or less elastic demand curve. Okay, next move to the next question. Monopsony is a market with many seller, many buyer, single seller, many buyer, many seller, single buyer, two seller, two buyers, none of the above. It's a simple question. You can easily check out this, and it is option number 3, that is the right answer. Many buyers, single seller. Many buyers, single sellers, that is monopoly, and many buyers, single seller. Many seller, many buyers, that is perfect competition. Single seller, many buyers, that is monopoly, and many seller, single buyer, that is monopsony. So the right answer is, guys, option number 3. So option number 3 is here the right answer. Many seller, single buyer. Okay. Thank you. We will upload the rest of the video of the IGTR question. Till then, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you will not miss any knowledgeable video, any important video that I will make on my YouTube channel. Thank you.